Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share the recipe of one of my favorite veg appetizer, that is Hara Bhara Kabab. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. For this, first of all, I will blanch the spinach leaves. So I am adding them into hot water and will boil it for another 3 to 4 minutes. It's almost done. So I will take out the boiled spinach and keep it aside for cooling. Try to squeeze out excess water from it. It's time for blending. For blending, I have taken 1 large capsicum, beans, frozen green peas, 3 to 4 green chilies and sweet corn. Here I will use half of the sweet corn for blending, another half and the grated ginger will use later. So now I am going to add spinach and all veggies into the blender and will blend it into a slightly coarse texture. Now I am going to transfer the blended paste into a large mixing bowl. Into this, I will add boiled and mashed potato, grated paneer and will mix everything properly. Now I am going to add in breadcrumbs and corn flour, which will help in absorbing moisture and binds well. Further adding a pinch of turmeric powder, cumin powder, chaat masala, chicken masala and salt according to taste. Then goes into this rest of the sweet corn and grated ginger and 1 chopped green chili. Again, mix properly. Then heat a pan and add oil for deep fry. Once the oil heat enough, make small patties and cover them with breadcrumbs to make it crispy. Now fry the patties on medium hot oil, stirring occasionally. Lastly, drain the fried Hara Bhara Kabab onto a kitchen towel and serve with any kind of dip. This is all about today's video. Try it at your home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you will never miss an update from my channel. Bye bye.